Good day, fellow boaters, and welcome once again to Boat Technics. Got a little treat in store today. We are installing a 12-volt diesel air heater. Woohoo! We're going to be wining and dining people over the winter period. Woohoo! It's quite a popular location on a boat to sit on the back deck, the wheelhouse, or the helm, or whatever you want to call it, the bridge. As you can tell from my hat, it is the season. And being as it is the season, we're going to use the back of the boat to wine and dine relatives and all those kinds of people that you don't want round at Christmas. We've got a cratch cover over the actual rear of the boat. We've got to try and warm this cabin space up, and we're going to put the diesel heater in the engine room, but we're going to blow the hot air through the deck up into the cabin space, so the back deck. And obviously during the winter months, this is where it tends to be a popular place to hang out, really. A lot of people obviously spend the time in the boat, but if you've got a cratch cover over the back of the boat, which this one has, it's also very popular because it's like an additional room to your vessel, really. We've made a little bit of room, as you can see down here. We've got our air heater. We're going to try and throw this into this space, tap into the fuel line, put the exhaust out the boat, obviously via the skin tank, and then we're going to blow the duct in up through the floor and then out the cabin space up the top. Another thing that this could potentially deal with is condensation build up in an engine room. Obviously your engine space tends to be quite warm or retains some degree of heat, and obviously the outside temperature in the winter gets a lot colder, so cold air meeting warm air creates sweating in a boat. There's an old saying in the boat world, a boat doesn't rot from the outside in, it rots from the inside out.
Going to increase the dehumidification.
That's it, yeah.
Is the heat and cold, hot inside, cold outside, which condenses, right, on the inside, or because it ain't going to condense on the outside, is it? Because there's water.
That's right. Woohoo! Like he said over there, basically, if we install this in this engine room, it could actually potentially reduce the condensation build-up in the engine space, because this room should potentially stay warmer. Can I say potentially again? Potentially. I'm going to keep saying potentially.
Theoretically.
Theoretically, Watson. We've got the usual vents either side of the engine room at the back to let the air flow through the engine room, but nonetheless condensation still occurs. Boats sweat is the answer. You're going to need a variety of bits, and as you can see from down there, we've got a selection of all kinds of stuff going on. Exhaust fittings, exhaust pipes, ducting diverters, ducting, airflow. We'll go through all of this as quick as I can to put it on. However, a little addition, we upgraded the bracket that actually came with the heater. This is the bracket that came with it. It's quite thin, and to install it, you kind of make it a bit of a puzzle up. So we're going to put that to one side. So what we did is we actually brought another bracket, as you can see here, and then I've obviously knocked together a little wooden bracket for that to sit on with a couple of metal hinges. It's all been painted, all ready to go. Obviously the heater's going to sit on the top there, and this is going to be fixed down to the swim on the back of the boat down there. Oh, beautiful. He says. So all in all, it's a pretty good installation really. Heater's obviously on, exhaust. The only couple of things we need to do is just lag the exhaust pipe obviously for burns. Obviously any components in the engine room touching it as such. I'm standing on the back of the boat now, underneath the cratch cover, and although we've only got the one vent installed, as you saw from the video where the pipe's coming up through the deck and then obviously behind the seating, it's just located down there in our little corner. But in general, I'm stood here now and I can already feel the ambient temperature in this part of the boat warming up. So through the winter months, if you're wining and dining somebody on board, this is technically now another usable room, as it is in the summertime. Tends to be a congregational part of a boat. A lot of people tend to move towards this area for having a chinwag as such, and a few of the old sherbets. We're going to go and have a cup of tea with the customer, leave it on for a little while. It's quite chilly today. As you can see, I'm rocking my little snood, and then we'll come back and see if the actual temperature's risen in here at all. But I'm pretty happy with that. I think the customer is equally as happy with that. Only time will tell. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode.